Hi guys! Today I'm going to learn about farm animals. This is a horse. It eats grass and vegetables. Grass and vegetables are the horse's food. This is the horse sound. This is a cow. It lays milk for us so we can drink. Drink some milk. This is a goat. It eats grass and hay. It just lays milk. This is a sheep. It eats grass and hay. And it gives us wool. Next one, donkey. What do it eats? It eats grass. This is a duck. And it lives on the water. Right, Mama? They live in water. They eat seeds. Seeds. Chicken lays eggs for us. And we had some eggs. A rooster. They eat seeds, and this is the sound of the rooster. This is our dog. It plays, right? Plays. And this is the sound of dog. Right? The dog will guard our farm. This is a rabbit. It jumps so high, right? Just like we saw in the small zoo, right? They eat yummy orange and green carrots. They eat carrots, friends. Eat yummy orange and green carrots. Let's repeat all the animals together. Horse, cow, sheep, goat, donkey, duck, they eat seeds. Chicken, rooster, dog,